definitely gonna happen. All clear, Andrew?
Yep, all clear.
Jeez. I should have slowed down. Should have slowed down coming off that.
What happened? Did you just hit the ground?
I almost hit this tree, yeah. Woo!
Oh, what? Cross that off the list. That's a good.
Holy moly, got it. Woo!
Well done.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right. You can catch some air on this one?
Yep.
All right.
I'll give it a little pop on this and
Yep.
a pop on the bottom.
Sounds good. It's awesome, man. Woo! What a run. I got it. That's epic, Andrew.